Hi everyone, this is Susan from Susan Hiles Art. Welcome to my channel. So today's video is for hashtag Cornucopia of Recipes, and I am co-hosting the collaboration with Sheree from Turquoise Dreaming. Please check out her channel, the link is below, as well as everybody else that is playing along with us. So I am going to finish up my documenting for Thanksgiving. Today is Thanksgiving. I'm actually doing this on Thanksgiving Day. And that picture right there is a picture of my two kids and my granddaughter. Not one of them likes their picture taken. So I have to kind of like sneak the pictures. So none of the pictures are good, but at least I got them. So that's a little Project Life card there. And it says, with happy hearts, we gather together. And we really did have a wonderful time just sitting in my kitchen and my living room. And it was just the four of us. And it was just nice. It was really, really, really nice. That little orange piece is some paper trim that I had from, I believe it's a Creative Memories paper trim. So, and then I'm grabbing some stickers. You'll see me use these stickers on a couple of the pages. So, then I decided to go ahead and put on 3 small flat back pearls up in the upper right of this particular card. While I'm doing that, let me remind everybody we do have a giveaway going on. Sheree will be giving away a $25 electronic gift card, and I will as well. We will be announcing the winners on December 2nd when we do our announcement video for our December collaboration. And that little sticker that I just put on the side right there says, it says remember. And that was from a Happy Planner sticker book. So anyway, so the last time that you can have an entry will be November 29th. So that will give Sheree and I, enough time to make sure that we have all of the entries documented. So when we go and make our video for December 2nd, we're ready to go. So you have until November 29th to participate. The ways to participate are all below in my description box, so please check them out. And I talk about all the different ways in my announcement video, and the link is below for my announcement video as well. But you do have until November 29th to do that. And I know everybody's in a different time zone. All I'm going to say is that when I wake up on November 30th, it's done. I am, taking what is there as far as comments and videos and video responses and sharing in community on your community tab here in YouTube, all of that kind of stuff. So that is another little piece of trim from Creative Memories. And and I dropped it. You know how, and I had glue on it, and then now I have glue all over my son's head. And so I'm like, well, let me just grab this little sticker. And it just says today, and it just kind of helps to cover up some of that adhesive. And it's the same stickers, that little paper strip, that curly strip. And then I just wrote my son's name next to his picture. So he is 29. And then I have in the middle there is a picture of my granddaughter who is 13. And then my daughter is the picture all the way over to the right. So my daughter is 35. And Madison, my granddaughter, it's her daughter. So, And so I wanted so much to use this really old recipe, a page from a magazine from, I don't know, 70s, 80s, I don't know. And it has the green beans. And my granddaughter loved the green beans that I had today. I did put that, I wanted to put that over towards the left just a little bit, and fortunately I was able to pick it up. Even though I had put it down with adhesive, it allowed me to pick it up, which was, sometimes that doesn't happen. So I'm just going to put this little flower right here. The colors they were just right. They were just right. So I put the little flower down there, and then here comes another piece of this squiggly trim. And then in the middle of this flower, I'm going to put some adhesive and another flat back pearl. So let me tell you about the food. We got it from Wegmans, and I picked it up at 9:30 this morning. You get it cold. And so you have to reheat everything. And it was phenomenal. I have to say, between the actual Thanksgiving food, and like I baked a pie and I got a couple desserts, and just everybody liked everything. It was so rare. I mean, my family they're tough. They are tough. And I usually just get complaints, and it's like this time everybody was super happy. So I was super happy. So I wrote Madison there, and I'm going to write Tracy on the side over here. And that's really it. That's it. So be sure to check out everybody's videos below. And I'm going to tie it off and keep it closed with that little piece of yarn, which I thought was perfect. And then here are some close-up photos. And I hope that you enjoy this, and we'll see you in December. Sheree and I, we are all set with our December open collaboration, and then we're even talking about 2023. God bless everybody. Bye-bye.